So I know some of you guys have been wondering about my beard for some time now, how I grew it, what products I used, and what are the products that I am still using. So this video might help. So I recently started using this beard growth booster pack from Ustra because even though the individual hair strand of my beard had some length, my beard really wasn't that dense, plus it had some patches here and there. So right now I'm using this kit from Ustra and so far it is working really well for me. And I am starting to see results now. So this kit contains two individual products, the beard growth oil and the beard growth supplement, which makes this one really special because both of them have got a function of their own, and that is the same reason why I'm using both of them at the same time. So the products come in these small little boxes along with a dropper, which makes the application process a whole lot easier. So you see, the supplement is provided to help in the growth of more hair strands in the beard area. And that's why it contains ingredients such as biotin, which helps in the production of keratin, which is of course the major protein found in hair strands. It contains creatine, which, if you don't know, helps rebuild and strengthen the hair from the inside. And this supplement contains vitamins such as provitamin B5, vitamin C, vitamin D, and all of these are really helping my beard get denser and thicker. To use the product, just take the desired amount of it in your palms and apply externally to your beard at any point of day depending on your skin type. I usually apply it in the morning when my beard have completely dried out after a shower. And as I am applying this product to an area that is close to my nose, I'm glad that the product actually smells really good. And the thing I like the most about the supplement is that it is water-based. What that means is I can just rinse my beard with water to get the product out of it. I don't need to wash it with anything. So basically, I am using the supplement to increase the hair growth in my beard area and make it denser and thicker. But for the hair that have already grown out, I'm using the beard oil which comes with this kit. Because the supplement is there to help with the growth of the hair. While the oil does also enhance the growth, it is there to help nourish and moisturize the hair that has already grown out. So because we are supposed to use the oil for a different purpose, the ingredients are also different but really good. It's got gooseberry oil, which makes the hair soft and lustrous. It's got watermelon seed oil, which fights free radical damage, plus it is rich in vitamin A and E. But the key ingredient in the oil is the DHT boosters that are built into it, as well as Ridensal, which is a newly discovered ingredient which helps in the regrowth of lost hair, and it is a plant-based product, so again I've got no issues using it. So all of these ingredients are going to help enhance the beard growth, plus they are going to nourish the hair, as beard hair is lacking the most in the nourishment area. And another thing that I really like about the oil is that it's not too heavy and therefore it doesn't make my beard look greasy. So as the supplement makes the hair grow faster and thicker, while the oil moisturizes and nourishes the hair that is growing out and make it softer, I am using both of them. So if you are also looking to grow a beard, then definitely consider getting this kit. But if you want to see actual result, I'd suggest you use both of them simultaneously. But keep in mind, you can see good results from any product when used consistently. So I'd suggest you use this kit for at least around 60 days and then look for results. And I think this is the perfect timing to grow a beard as well as getting this product, because this kit is currently at 31% discount and is right now available at only $9.99. Plus, I got a discount code for you guys. If you use the code MANOJ10, you can get an additional 10% discount over and above the amazing discount that is already running on the Ustra official website. That is, of course, ustra.com, but you can get this kit from Amazon and Flipkart as well. And again, all the links are in the description. So I guess I'm done for this one. And with that being said, I'll see you guys around.